So it is indeed a Girl Power Tuesday. Our next guest is a talented young lady who is making her mark within the music video world. Joining us this morning, creative director Jodiann Gordon, the young lady responsible for working on projects like Savannah and Proteges. Same so. Good morning, Jodiann. How are you?
Hi, good morning. I'm doing well.
It's
You?
nice to talk to you this morning. I am very well. Thank you for asking. Look at you living your dream now, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk about the journey to the dream. Cause you from, let me see, from as far back as you can remember, you've had a love for arts and
Yes.
animals. At one point,
Mhm.
you thought you were going to be a vet, right?
Yes.
Then you start so close. And I mean, talk to me a little bit about that journey to where you are now.
I've always had a love for the arts, as you already know. I've been drawing since I can't even remember how long now, since I was a wee child. Um, I've always wanted to do something in the arts, but I always loved animals and all of that. So I really thought I would be a veterinarian. Fast forward to like doing CAPE and all of that. After those exams, I realized that I'm really committed to doing something in the arts. So I applied to go to Edna Manley College. As I did photography there, actually. Yeah, so I don't know if you remember, but I was on the morning show a few years back with doing some showing my final year photography and all of that. Fast forward again, I decided to collaborate with one of my very close friends. His name is Jordan Mars. He's actually director for Same So Protege. He is familiar with my talents and he wanted me to help. Very fulfilling. I'm not even going to lie to you. I'm really happy right now. And the more I get to work on these kind of projects, the more experience I have, the more the better able I am to just respond in high pressure situations, because sometimes some of these calls are very last minute, but I welcome them and I accept them nonetheless.
Yeah. So you say as creative director, you're working with the DP's vision to help that to come to life. So the director of photography, you work with that person. Tell me, like, break it down for folks who are watching who are like, "Oh, this is something that I could be interested in," and embark
Yes.
on a journey like Jodiann's, a journey like yours. What is it that you actually do? So there's a
Okay.
music video, and Dahlia is going to be, releasing her song Hot.
The treatment, I would read through it, try to understand what the director is asking of me, and then I would put together a document, like a set design document, creative direction document, and send it for approval. And they would say, all right, well, because we have to really work together and communicate so that everything from every aspect is cohesive.
Right,
So
right.
so the same
Synergy and
document that
continuity and all the rest of it.
yes.
Right.
So the
Okay.
same document that I would get, the stylist would get it, everybody else would get it.
Okay. So when you look at the industry now, you're talking about working with your counterparts, Nikki, and I think Jordan was the other one that you mentioned. Is this a
Yes,
good time
yes.
for female directors in Jamaica? Are you hopeful about the role that you guys are playing in the space? And do you think, the way is being paved for more of you to come forward and make an impact?
I think no more than ever is a very good time for us as women in this industry. I can see ourselves making bigger moves and going far, because I think we're being more respected for our talents, and we have to work hard, yes, but I remember a time when we had to work 10 times as hard to be respected. And because it's predominantly male industry. So we had to work 10 times as hard, but I can see that we are slowly but surely gaining the respect that we deserve
Yeah.
as creative people
Excellent.
and
It's about
creative
time.
women. Yeah,
Fantastic.
it is about time.
Yeah.
It is about time.
Continue to make your mark, young lady. Thank you for sharing with us this
Thank
morning. We wish you
you.
all the
No
best
problem.
on the rest of your journey. Up,
Thanks.
up, up for you. Creative director with us this morning, Jodiann Gordon. Thank you, Jodiann. Coming up next,
You're
everybody,
welcome.
take care. We are inspiring you into action with our top five, well, a top five list of books, of female books, books written by women, I think is what we mean to say. We'll be right back with that in a minute.